Jelin 5B.
Good morning,
Okay, good afternoon, children. Now it's 12 o'clock now, so we'll say
Afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, thank you.
Fine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, children, we have finished chapter 2 and we just started numbers. Yes? Numbers. So, numbers, all the children, when you are from the beginning, means when you are small, you are learning numbers. Okay? So, the numbers, each year when you are going to the next class, the numbers will be increasing. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the last class we have discussed, you told me that you studied till 10,000. Yes? Till
Yes, ma'am.
10,000. And this year we are going to do little more numbers bigger than 10,000. 10,000. Nandita, can you on your camera? Nandita, how many digits in 10,000? How many digits? How many digits? How many digits?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanya.
Yesterday I could not attend the class because of the network problem.
Okay. You have completed the only thing that you were not able to submit, yes? Huh?
Yes.
You're talking about Tanya, you're talking about the
Yesterday
test?
written the notes and give notes.
No, we had also problem here, connectivity and power failure here. So we were also not able to complete that class. Okay. We were also not able to complete that class. So we were discussing about large numbers and in 10,000. Nandita, did you tell me the answer? How many digits in 10,000?
5.
5. Okay, 5. 5 digits. So we also discuss about successor and predecessor.
Yes, ma'am.
Successor and let me see who not come. Tanya, please mute Gautam. Tanya. Ananda. Okay. So last class we were discussing about successor and predecessor. Okay.
Excuse me,
Devak, can you please say the successor of 99?
Excuse me, ma'am.
99?
100.
Who was saying that answer?
Ananda.
Ananda. I called Devak.
I didn't
I
hear,
called.
ma'am.
You didn't hear me?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, now please mute. Ananda, please mute. Okay, Devak, now tell me the predecessor, all the children, I'm calling by name. And I want only those children has to answer. Because when all of you say together, nobody will understand. And all the children should get equal chances. Okay, who was going to tell me that? Devak, tell me the predecessor of 99.
98.
98. Okay, so you understood what is predecessor and successor.
Successor.
So the number before is called, as the name suggests, pre means number before. Predecessor means the number before and successor means number after.
After.
Okay, understood. So we are going to do some Abhimanyu. Feeling sleepy? Most of the days I didn't see your face because you are not on the video. Today when you are, I will check every day to you, okay? Because I feel you are sleepy and in the afternoon to sleep. Okay, children, so what we will do, I will write some questions on the board and I will ask predecessor and successor of those numbers. And I will mute all the children because some children before saying their name, they will answer. So what will happen? We will mute, and only those children who I'm saying they have to unmute. Okay, I will tell them to unmute. Okay, so we are going to do now. Let me see. Going to share the screen, okay? You can take the EC port. Pranav, you let me admit some more children, okay? Wait. Okay, children, can you see the board? Yes, raise your hand, okay? So I'm going to write some number here, that number. You have to tell me the successor and predecessor of that number. Okay, so this number you have to say predecessor, and here number, and here successor. Okay, so going to take okay, so going to write with starting with small number 10. John Sebi, please unmute. John Sebi, unmute. Unmute, John Sebi. John Sebi, please unmute. Manu, please unmute. Manu, unmute.
Ma'am?
Okay. I have written one number on the board. Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Which number is written over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Which number?
10.
10. You have to tell me the predecessor of 10 and successor of 10. So first tell me predecessor of 10.
9.
Manu?
9.
9. Okay, very good.
9.
9. Okay. And what about successor?
11.
11. Very good. Okay, 11. Okay. Gautam, please unmute. Okay. Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, I will write here number 100. Can you say the successor and predecessor of 100?
Predecessor.
Tell me predecessor.
99.
99. Very good. What about successor?
101.
100 and?
101. 101.
101 or 111? What did you say? I didn't hear properly. 101.
1.
So here predecessor 9, 10, 11. So it's coming number before and after. Predecessor means number before and successor means number after. And like the same 100, you know that is predecessor in 99 and the successor is 101. Okay, Tanya, please unmute. Tanya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here I'm going to write, tell me the number. Can you read the number?
1000.
1000. And here you know how to write the comma. Yes. Now tell me the predecessor of 1000.
999.
999.
99.
Very good. Okay. What about the successor? Successor? Tanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the successor also. Thousand. Successor. The next number. 1000 plus 1.
1000 plus 1. 2000.
1000 plus 1. Rohit, please unmute and help Tanya. Please unmute. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is the successor of 1000?
1001.
1001. 1001.
One.
When you add 1 to 100, it is 100 plus 1. What is that 100 plus 1? 100. 1000 plus 1? 1001.
1000.
Yes, Tanya.
Okay, ma'am.
When you add 1000 and 1000 only, you will get 2000. Understood? Successor and predecessor. We are just starting with small numbers before we go to, let me see. See, children, we are doing successor and predecessor. Why? Because see, when we reach 1000, you are making mistakes. So we are starting from the base. So successor means number after. Predecessor means number before. So we are starting with number 10, 100, 1000. So what will be next, Fia? Can you say? After 1000, another. Fia?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say this number what I am writing on the board? What is that number on the board?
10,000.
10,000. Very good. Okay, 10,000. Can you say the predecessor of 10,000? Predecessor of 10,000?
Ma'am, does it is 9,000?
9,000. Look at these examples. 10 before 10, that is 9. 100 before, that is 99. 1000 before 999. So what will be the predecessor of 10,000? Madhav, can you please help Fia? Madhav. Number before 10,000. Please unmute. Madhav, please unmute. Unmute. Madhav, please unmute. Okay.
9,999.
9,000. Yes, very good. 9,999. Look at the pattern, children, how the pattern is moving. Look at the pattern. Okay, here we have 9,900. Okay, Fia, continue the next number, successor. 10,000 plus 1. Ayman, what happened? You are here? Yes, Fia? Ayman, can you help Fia? Ayman, please unmute. Unmute. Chinmay, please unmute. Chinmay. Please unmute. Okay, can you say 10,000 plus 1?
10,001.
10,001. 10,000. How many zeros will be there in between? 10,001. 10,001. So look at the pattern here. 10 minus 1, 9. That is the biggest one digit number. When you add 1, you will get the smallest 2-digit number. Biggest 2-digit number, when you add 1, you will get the smallest 3-digit number. Understood? Ananda? Ananda, what you are talking over there? Okay, children, did you understood the pattern? Okay.
Yes,
when you
ma'am.
add one, one digit number, you are
Excuse me,
getting.
ma'am.
Who is calling me?
Ma'am, that time I cannot unmute. That was I
Okay,
have
okay.
not told them.
Okay. So biggest one digit number, when you add, you are getting
Smallest two-digit number.
2-digit number, when you add 1, you are getting smallest 3-digit number.
3-digit number.
So what is the smallest 3-digit number?
999.
100. Largest.
100.
Okay, very good. 100. Largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number. When you add 199. When you add 1. Okay. Abhimanyu, can you please tell me which is the smallest 4-digit number? Smallest. Abhimanyu, please unmute and say. Tanya, please mute. Angelina, mute. Talking and we can hear what you are saying. Yes, Abhimanyu. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number, Abhimanyu. Smallest 4-digit number. Abhimanyu, where are you looking? Smallest 4-digit number. Angelina, please help Abhimanyu. Thousand. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And what is the successor of 1000? Chinmay. Successor of Chinmay. All others, please mute. I am calling by name.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you properly because someone blowed early.
Children, please mute. Children, you are class 5 children. The teacher don't want to say every time, please mute. Okay, Chinmay, please unmute and tell me. What is the successor of 1000? Successor of 1001. Okay. 1001. Abhimanyu, say the successor of 1000 now. 1001. Okay, so now you understood what is predecessor and successor. Okay, largest, Richard, largest 5-digit number.
Largest 5-digit number.
Largest 5-digit number. 99,000. I will mute everyone because some children, I don't know from whose how sound is coming. So whenever I ask, you have to unmute and say. Okay, Adinath, please unmute and say. Unmute, Adinath. Yes, please unmute. Okay, what is the largest 5-digit number?
99,900.
Very good. 99,999. Okay. Now, okay, Manu, which is when you add the 1 to the largest 5-digit number, which number you will get? Please unmute. Unmute. Manu, please unmute.
Ma'am?
Yes. I told you, whenever you speak, you have to unmute and okay. So which is the number? When you add 1 to the largest 5-digit number, which number you will get? Manu?
99,001.
99,999 plus 1. Can you say that? Who can say that? Yes, Agni. Please unmute, Agni. Unmute.
Ma'am, what's the question, ma'am?
When you add 1 to the largest 5-digit number. So, largest 5-digit number, Richard and they were saying, Adinath was saying, it is 99,999. When you add 1 to this 99,999, what you will get?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. That is smallest
6-digit number.
Children, smallest
6-digit number.
Okay. Now we are going to revise how we were placing the commas. So how we were placing the commas? From the ones period, we will take, after 3 digits, we will put 1 comma. After that again, how we will put the commas? After 2 digits. Please check that how we are doing. Okay, now. Okay, so we know 99,999. How we were keeping the commas? 1, 2, 3. After 3 from the back, okay, from right side, you will take 3 digits. 3 digits. Okay, so when we add 1 to this number, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 3 comma, we will keep 1. After 3 digits, we will keep comma, then 2 digits. So this is called 1 lakh. Tanya, please unmute. Tanya, please unmute and tell me 1 lakh. How many digits are there?
5.
Look at the board. It's there on the board. I have written on the board. Can you count the number of digits? Can you count the number of digits? 6. Okay. So largest 5-digit number, in the largest number means all the numbers are 9. So how many 9 will be there in the largest 5-digit number? 5. When you add 1, you will get the smallest 6-digit number, that is called 1 lakh. In 1 lakh, how many digits are there? 6. So after 3 digits, we will keep 1 comma. Then we will keep comma like this after 2 digits. Understood? Okay. So children, so we were discussing about smallest 6-digit number. Which is the smallest 6-digit number?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
That is
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
And in 1 lakh, how many digits are there total?
6 digits.
6 digits.
6 digits. Okay. So 6 digits, that is 1 lakh. So 7 digit, that is the place value is 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
I want all the children to be very attentive. These numbers, no, you have to study properly. See, some children after 1,000, they don't know which is the next number. So in numbers, very frequently we will make mistakes. So whenever,
How much
see now,
Ma'am, how much digit does crore have?
one minute, Fia. Let me see from which house that sound is coming. Felix, please mute, and Catherine, please mute. Okay, so who want to speak? They have to raise the hand and unmute. Okay, Fia, yes, Fia.
Ma'am, how much digit does a crore have?
Crore. We are learning one by one, no? First study lakh. Lakh, tell me how many digits are there, lakh?
6.
6 lakh. Okay, very good. So how many digits will be in 10 lakh, Catherine? 10 lakh, how many digits?
7 digits.
7 digits. Very good. 7 digits for 10 lakh. So Anusri, after 10 lakh, we have crore. So can you say how many digits will be in 1 crore?
8
8
digits.
Okay, very good. Now Fia, tell me how many digits will be in 1 crore?
Ma'am,
Tell me how many digits will be in 1 crore?
Ma'am, it's not clear. Some sounds are coming.
Ma'am, sound is from Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu, please mute. Please mute.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Fia. How many digits? I told you to mute, not to off the video. Abhimanyu, no need to off the video, only mute your audio. Yes, Fia.
Yeah, ma'am, can you
How
ask
many
the
digits
question
in
on
a crore?
crore? There are 8 digits.
8 digits. Understood? So
Yes,
today we are
ma'am.
learning lakh, 10 lakh and crore. In lakh, how many digits we have? 7 digits. No. 7 digits for which place value? Tell me.
10 lakh.
10 lakh. Very good. So in lakh we have 6 digits. And
10 lakh.
10 lakh we have 7 digits.
7 digits.
Then crore.
Crore.
Okay, now we are going
digits.
to write number names. Number names. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Indian system and international systems are different because the people also different. No, we have, whenever we go to like different countries, when we say lakh, crore, that people they will not understand because they have different. They have billion, million. So children, we will study after the
International and Indian
system. Only we will study international system. Okay. So whenever we go to another countries, when we say 10 lakh rupee, they will not understand. That's why we have to study both. Okay.
Thank you,
So we
ma'am.
are going to write some numbers on the board. Let me see where Abhimanyu. After that, enter the waiting room. Okay. So I will write some numbers on the board. You have to tell me the number name. So any sound, I will mute the children again. Okay. So I'm going to write first. Okay. Madhav, no, Gaudam, please unmute.
Ma'am, the
You have to
screen
tell me
has not
this
been
number
shared.
name.
98,
98,
901,
huh? 98, 901. Is this 98 and 901?
No,
98
now.
Then this one is 90. You have to write this in words. Then
Ma'am, the screen has
98,000,
not shared.
900
And one.
901. See children, here also we have to write the number spelling, okay? Because this place value I have to specify, because whenever you do more revision about the previous one, you will be able to study the lakh, crore and 10 lakh. So Rohit, tell me this number name.
9,899.
Yes, very good. 9,000. 9,899.
99.
Okay, so all children, you have to be careful that after 1, 2, 3, that is ones place, 100 place. No, it is tens place, then 100 place. You
Ones
are
place,
going to
tens
keep
place,
one
100 place. Comma.
comma. So you will read this number together. 98,000. This is in the place of 1,000.
900.
TH, and here 10,000. So we will read 98,901.
10,
Here we have only
100,
9,899.
10,000.
Understood? Please,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt during regarding this number name?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, Felix, you have to tell me this. Okay, Felix, tell me the number name.
98,909.
Felix,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see this number name?
When someone is making noise and I cannot hear you properly.
Okay, after some time I will mute again. Okay, please children, please see that your mic is muted. Okay, because what's the problem? You are not talking because some sound from your house. That's why I told all the children to mute. Okay, tell me this number name. Felix, fast.
89,000.
Okay,
999. 89,998.
Very good. 89, 89,000. Look at this place, that is 1,000 place. So how many thousand we have? 89,000. 89,000.
998.
998 and 98. Okay. Okay. So 89,998. So this is the standard form. Yes, standard form, and this is the number name. So the number, how we are writing that original number, that is called in the standard form. And we have also learned what is expanded form. Yes, expanded form.
Yes,
And the number name. So you have to be thorough with place values, ones, tens, 100. After these three, we are keeping one comma to separate the numbers. Then comes 1,000, 10,000. So after 10,000, this year we are learning lakh. That is 6-digit number. After lakh, the next number is 10 lakh. That's why having 7 digits. After that, we have crore. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will use the place value. Tanya, please. Where are you talking? We are in the class now. Learning from home also, you know how to sit quietly in a place. Okay, children. So we will discuss more about these place values using our place value chart during our next period today. Okay. When is that time?
3:50 to
Okay,
4:25.
everyone please note the timing.
1:20. 29. Ma'am? 28, ma'am.
Okay, so the next teacher is waiting here. So,
Excuse
any doubt in today's class? We are not doing any workbook today. So, what you have to be, keep one rough book with you, because I will give you some
Chris Joe have a
numbers.
Chris Joe have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, tell me first.
Ma'am, last class you gave us place value chart, right?
Yes.
That I wrote everything.
Okay, very good. In between, there was some connection problem here. So, we have to discuss that again today.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I am
children?
keeping
Bye.
it.
See you in the
Because
next
of
class.
connection
Bye.
problem,
Thank
I
you.
have my friend. Ma'am.